Amazing looking truck. Bed liner, tonneau cover, MP3 player. Carfax One owner Ford factory certified plus Galpin exclusive 171-point inspection, 2-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system 4-wheel, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, bed liner, cruise control, dual airbags, hard tonneau cover, MP3 multi-disc, power door locks, power steering, power windows, running boards, sliding rear window, stability control, steel wheels, tilt wheel, traction control. Please call our professional internet team. Manufacturer certified pre-owned vehicle. All advertised prices exclude government fees and taxes, any finance charges, any dealer document preparation charge, and any emission testing charge.